But I figured since I really don't got much else to do, I might as well just start doing the lower control arms as well. So let's jump right into it. Now is loosen this bolt right here, this bolt, and this bolt. And then the lower control arm should just come right out. Oh my god, that's hard. Whew. Okay, I gotta get up for this one. This one's pretty hard. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I need some more leverage. Alright. I got some leverage now. Hopefully. You know what? I had a feeling I had to put this in there. Yeah, y'all can definitely tell that these bushings are super bad. I mean, this ain't supposed to happen. Like, yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Oh my god, and these two as well are pretty much on their last leg too. So good thing oh, you. Now that's dirty. From ashy to classy. Alright, now that I got it out, I'm sorry, I just had to put that in the video as well. I'm gonna go take the other side off. Okay, let me switch this one out because that one I put right, not this one. Let me switch it out real quick. Hold on. Alright, so yes, I switched it. It's alright, trial and error. It happens. Go ahead and put these 2 bolts in now and get this thing tidied up because I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. So I'm going to get right into it. Wow, that's the first time something like that ever went in so smooth. Put the nut in the back. Where is my 14? Found my 14. That's on there. Next. Alright, on the right side now. Go ahead and get some grease. The only reason why I'm putting grease on it is just so it's easier next time I do this. Or one of the next videos, I'm going to need the drain on the bushing saw. That's really deep, look at that. I'm never done on the bushing saw. That's really interesting. Alright, that's in there. I definitely got to get the oil too. I'll go for the oil. No, I have more grease. I like it. Not bad. Spinning also. This nut on here, the other side, mine's 17 for whatever reason, so no matter, that's 50. Now make sure your hands on everything and pretty much it's done. And of course, starting to ring out, so it's not good. Alright, so as I was saying, yeah, now Florida wants to decide, oh yeah, no more planes, alright, cool, I'm gonna start raining. Florida weather, bro. What can we do? I can see that, right? Okay, cool. Most people trust the impacts. I don't. I use them, but I don't leave everything tightened up. I should be tight. Time to tighten this side up and we're done with this project for today. 14 on the back. That's tight. Most people would say, duh, you gotta do the torques and this and that. Yeah, well, you see, what happened was, I'm not most people. I just put about 50 to 100 pounds on there with just my bare hands and called it a day. All I know is it is definitely not gonna come out. That's done. Alright, and there it is. Rear load control arms done. I recommend for these subframe tie bars, blue Loctite the hardware that comes with it, because I have seen these fall off in front of me, and that is not fun. So just a little tip, blue Loctite these does not in bolt. These 4 nuts and bolts. And there you have it, guys. That's the final product basically. I just gotta wipe it down because my grease hands, but yeah, that's basically the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.